If you're like most retirees, you've been watching the headlines lately, seeing inflation spike, the stock market wobble, and the value of the dollar lose strength. Maybe you've even felt the pressure on your savings, wondering if your hard-earned retirement is secure. You're not alone. And right now, there's one quiet investment that's been surging among retirees like never before. What is it? Gold IRAs. Yes, gold. It's not just a shiny metal you see in jewelry stores or collectibles. It's one of the most stable and reliable forms of wealth preservation that's been around for centuries. But in today's unpredictable economic climate, it's quickly becoming the go-to choice for retirees looking to protect their wealth. In fact, this investment is surging right now, and I'm about to explain why it's becoming so popular, especially for those of you with $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k. Let's take a look at why. We've all been hearing about the US economy and global financial instability. Inflation is still high, interest rates are rising, and some of the largest banks in the world are showing signs of strain. This environment creates a lot of uncertainty, and uncertainty is one of the most dangerous things to face when you're retired and trying to protect your nest egg. But here's the thing. Gold has always been a safe haven in times of crisis. Even in the face of economic downturns, gold tends to hold its value, and in many cases, it increases in value. That's why retirees are flocking to gold IRAs. They want to safeguard their hard-earned money from eroding any further. But I know what you're thinking. Gold? Isn't it risky? Isn't it outdated? Let me ask you this. How many times in the last year have you heard about financial instability? Probably more than you can count, right? Now think about this. The value of gold has been consistently rising while the stock market is volatile. Even when the economy struggles, gold tends to rise in value because it's a tangible asset, not subject to the whims of the stock market or government policies. Let me give you some numbers. Last year, gold prices saw a noticeable increase while stocks were down. For retirees, this means that gold is not only a reliable hedge against inflation, but it's also a smart way to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. If your current investment strategy is mostly tied to the stock market, you might be putting yourself at serious risk with the economy's uncertainty. A gold IRA helps you avoid that. Now, I'm not suggesting you throw everything into gold. A gold IRA is a smart way to diversify and protect what you've worked hard to build, without putting all your eggs in one basket. It's a safe and strategic move that fits perfectly into your retirement strategy. And here's something that most people don't know. By setting up a gold IRA, you're gaining tax advantages too. You can invest in physical gold while reaping the same tax benefits you would from a traditional IRA. Plus, it's a great way to pass down your wealth to future generations. Gold doesn't disappear in a stock crash. It endures. Now, I know the thought of setting up a gold IRA might feel daunting, and that's where I come in. I'm offering a free guide to help you understand how a gold IRA works and if it's right for you. This guide is specifically designed for retirees with over $100,000 in IRAs or 401ks who want to learn how to protect their wealth from the growing instability. Here's the kicker. You don't have to make any decisions right now. You won't be pressured into anything. In fact, when you grab your free guide, I'm also offering a no-obligation call where you'll get one-on-one education from me. We'll talk through your unique situation and help you decide if a gold IRA makes sense for you. It's not about selling you anything. It's about making sure that you're taking the right steps to protect your future. If you've worked hard to build your retirement, you deserve to keep it safe and sound for yourself and your family. Gold is a time-tested way to do that. So, if you're ready to take control of your retirement and protect your wealth from inflation, market volatility, and economic instability, click the link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide and schedule your one-on-one consultation. This is your future. Let's make sure you protect it.